Now let me talk about the cleaning of aluminium. When we consider aluminium, you have to be very careful about that. When you clean aluminium, metal cleaning of aluminium. Aluminium reacts with the sodium hydroxide, so you have to avoid sodium hydroxide for degreasing the aluminium because it will form sodium aluminate and its shape may get disconfigured and avoid so using caustic for aluminium cleaning. And in fact, there are three important variables for cleaning aluminium. First of all, the alloy or the grade of aluminium you are using. So based on that, we have to choose appropriate that is a degreasing chemical for aluminium. Then for that is based on the surface contaminants. Surface contaminants means that is aluminum oxide layer or any scale or any old aluminum or any etching surface tool marking etc. or any welded portion, that is you have to change the formulation accordingly. And even when you have got any aluminum component present along with the mild steel, you should not use caustic directly. So you have to be very careful and please check with your clients also. Then based on the subsequent processing, for example, whether it is going to be anodized or whether you are going to give a special treatment, all these things can be considered before going in for cleaning of aluminium. So I will be discussing about the chemical cleaning and its composition of aluminium later. But just I wanted to tell you about aluminium. Using caustic should be avoided in cleaning aluminium.